Let's go today.
Oh, Jesus, wait, listen to you in.
It is I, Victorious Scum, intergalactating alien queen, sent to stop you, Lawrence Cheney.
What have I done?
Now, I have been sent from the future.
Series 3?
Yeah? Anyway, if you step onto this planet, I shall vaporize you. I'm warning you. Leave my planet alone.
Is that right? Well, we've got this saying on Earth and on Series 2, in fact, and it goes bang bang.
Vedete se...
And one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Now Pluto, Saturn, Jupiter, Mercury, Venus, Uranus. Don't you know my house is famous? Mars. Now sabotage, and sabotage. When you touch me, I die. Just a little inside. Tell me how I'm supposed to breathe in no air.